Hey you guys, welcome back. I just walked into the Dollar Tree and I'm at the front register because the first thing I saw were these and I don't know what they are. Oh goodness. So it is a keychain, little unicorns, and they have that. I guess. So I see white, blue, purple, and this cute pink one. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around and see what we can find today. They still have the pillows, the bath bombs, some of the loofah soaps. Let's go over to my favorite stop right here. We still got the pineapples, crosses. Look at these little Buddhas, and they are look. Where's the look one? Is there one covering his eyes? Right here. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. So I see black and I see the cement color. They're not really heavy, they're kind of light. Around on this side, they still have some of the donut trinket dishes, as well as those pretty jars. Just a lot of random stuff put over here. And more of the beach themed stuff. And you still got some of those. I've been seeing everybody haul these. I think they're super cute, but I'm gonna pass on these. I really like those. I don't remember seeing these. I think these are kind of cute. The stem of them is really skinny, kind of long, and they come in all the colors. I like this pink one. Okay, so they're putting out their bonus buy stuff too. You know, that's when you get extra stuff like this. Instead of 4, you get 5. Was this one, same thing. Instead of 3, you get 4. And that's all I see right here for now. You can get these leis right here. They come with 6 of them, so that's not bad. Oh, this is a different style of a bottle. It has the little lines on it. Kind of different. I like the top on that one. And they got one in each color. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay, we saw these already. The 4x6. You can clip the photo at the top and it has the canvas at the bottom. That one in black. They have gray and this tan color. Oh, look at these. So here's a paint set. This one is a tomato. So it's basically a stone. You get a stone in here and 3 paint colors and a brush. You guys remember the stones that were at the Target dollar spot that had the vegetables on it? That's kind of what this is, but you paint it yourself. So I see the tomato, I see a carrot, and also a sunflower like that. That's kind of cool. I don't know if the picture, oh Lord, they got an eggplant. I don't know if the picture is etched into the stone and then you just paint it. I don't know, but that's kind of fun. That would be a good project for some kids to do. I didn't see an eggplant, even though it showed one on the back. Oh, look at that. That's a wired jute cord. Okay, that's new. So it has the wire in it, so it's flexible. This will be really good for projects. I know everybody uses the nautical rope, but this one is actually with the wire in it. That's different. So this location put out some of the stickers that I just recently showed you guys. The cute cactus. I love those. They look like stained glass, and they still have all of the ones I showed you guys already. The unicorns and the little whales. Oh look, I showed these the other day on Instagram at the store I was at. I didn't do a video, but I'm seeing these again. These are the cutest cat bowls. I have posted them. These are Gibson, and so I see this one with the white background with the black cats, or this one with the black background and the white cats, and it does have a cat on the inside. What else is there? I don't even have a cat, but these are super cute. These are also Gibson. And then these were a different brand. These were Jessica Flick. They're also Gibson, but it's just a different like artist. And so that one looks like that. And the inside is like that. This one was my favorite one. It has the little mice and the fish tails, or the, you know, fish bones. And that one. This one. The inside. And then I didn't see this one before. Let's see. That is super cute. Looks like that. And it looks like they restocked the dog area, because there is like everything is like completely filled, so that's good. They still have the poop bags right there. I was trying to see if they had any new bowls for the dogs. The only one that I see that's different is like this one right here. That's really big. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, these are Gibson. They're just blue. That's the only color I see. They got some collapsible storage containers. Nice little summer colors. You got this pink, green, that orange. I see a turquoise. And these are 10 inches by 11 by 10. So these are actually a little bit bigger. They say new larger size. So these are popping up now. Okay, so I'm over by the makeup, and I have spotted the LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub. It says gently exfoliate your lips, smooth soften lips. So basically just a regular exfoliant. And it's funny because the way it looks to me looks like the one that I had purchased from Elf a long time ago. So I'm actually gonna give this one a try. And besides that, I don't see anything else new, just the Sinful colors. And that's about it. Everything is the same. And my last walkthrough, I showed you guys the Men's Care shave cream right here. Light lather shave cream. It's actually thick like lotion. Since then, I also showed you guys these, which I purchased and posted them on Instagram, and they're the same thing, but they're for women. And this one is lavender and jasmine, and this one is pomegranate and raspberry. What I will tell you is I did use it last night on my legs, and it compares to EOS shave cream. It was nice and thick like a lotion, but when you put it on, it just kind of dissolves on your skin. So I wasn't really too thrilled about it. It does do the job, but I like a cream that stays thick and creamy, and that didn't do it. But for $1, I think it's still a good product. It says formulated with shea butter, aloe vera, and paraben free. Oh, look at these Lily Jane shower caps, and these are for kids, and you get 3 of them in the pack. I like the little leopard print. You got a pink one and a white one in there. Oh, look, they got some Red Heart Boutique sachet sequins. Let me see. This one is in the color Caviar. That's really nice and soft. I like that. That's what it looks like. So it's kind of like a trim. I don't know. I don't sew or anything like that, but these are pretty. Then you got that turquoise color. This really pretty like burgundy. And then I also see like that green. That is really pretty. The sequins on this one is blue. That's nice. So I'm finally seeing these cow bowls. I usually get my bowls like this from the 99-cent store. These are by Plates and Beyond. And to see these here, that's kind of cool. They're really nice and big. But I think the cow pattern on those are super cute. Okay, so I'm still seeing the coconut turmeric and the Thai green curry rice. But now today I see these Thai hom Mali jasmine rice, authentic steamed rice. Super Lucky Elephant. Okay, so these cook the same in the microwave, ready in 90 seconds. Okay, I really like these. Every time I find these, I buy them. They're the tricolor tortilla strips. I love to add these into my salad, so I'm gonna get a bag of these, and these is 3.5 ounces. Oh, look at these bowls. They're kind of shaped a little kind of weird, like wobbly on the outside. They look like that. I like that. And then I also see this up here, shaped like that, and the inside looks like that. That's really pretty. These are by Plates and Beyond. All right, everybody, you guys know I always come to the last row before I get out of here. So thank you. Oh, they got these over here. The other store had them in the stationery area, the little containers. But yeah, so I always make it to this last row, go down each row and show you guys what I see. Thank you all for coming with me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye.